Suryia and I are on the elephant one day, riding through the woods to go down to the river and take a bath and play around down there. Out of the woods comes this skinny little hound dog. He runs up to us, he's fearless. Normally they don't like the elephant, and they don't like orangutans. And Suryia doesn't have an affinity for dogs particularly, but he jumps off the elephant, they jump into each other's arms, and they act like they're long-lost love.
It had to be you. It had to be you. I wandered around, finally found that somebody who could make me be true and could make me be blue and even be glad just to be sad thinking of you. Some others I've seen.
These two play around on the edge of the river for an hour, swimming and frolicking around like they're long-lost friends. We go back to the compound, the little guy squeezes through the gate, we call and try and find his owner. No one wants to claim him except Suryia. Suryia here goes in and starts handing him monkey biscuits through his enclosure. He starts talking to him all the time. We give him some water, we feed him some food, and we end up with these two become the best of friends, and they stay together now for 2 years.
Some others I've seen might never be mean, might never be cross or try to be boss, but they wouldn't do, for nobody else gave me a thrill with all your faults. I love you still. It had to be you, wonderful you. It had to be you. Some others I've seen might never be mean, yeah, might never be cross or try to be boss, but they wouldn't do, for nobody else gave me a thrill with all your faults. I love you still. It had to be you, wonderful you. It had to be you. It had to be you.
Are you a good boy? 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 You should be, because they should see that you're a good boy.